and namaste. This is Adha here and I welcome you to my channel Stay With Me Forever. First of all, I really want to thanks to all my viewers who have liked my videos and who have subscribed my channel. Now the most common problem I have seen people facing in a shop is either lack of cash or change. Now, that doesn't mean that we don't have, but we don't carry. So just to make this transactional life much more easier and smoother, I thought of sharing my this thought with you that why not to use Paytm for this purpose as well. Paytm is not just restricted in paying your phone bills or your electricity bills or your gas bills. Rather, you can do shopping through your Paytm. Suppose you want to buy clothes from a clothes store or shoes from shoe store or even groceries. Through Paytm, you can just transfer the money to the recipient's number and the thing is done. It's very easy. And for all these, what you need to have is three things. The first one is your Paytm app. Second one is the recipient's number to whom you are going to transfer the money. And the third one is enough cash in your Paytm wallet. So how to add money to your Paytm wallet, I have already explained in my previous video, and suppose you have missed it, don't worry, just go through my description box. There I have pasted the link of my previous video. Don't miss it, please. So what we are waiting for? Let's just check it out, how the steps are followed for transferring money to the recipient's account.
First of all, you need to tap the Paytm app in your phone. At the top, we can see the blue box. We just need to tap on the Pay button. There are different ways of transferring money to the recipient's number. One of them is scanning the recipient's QR code. Let's see how the QR process works. You need to adjust the recipient's QR code and your phone scan as shown here. If the scanning process succeeds, the detail of the recipient's number is shown where you tap the send money option for proceeding further. Suppose you want to opt for another way of transferring money, then go back. Click on Pay button in the blue box. Enter the mobile number to whom you want to transfer money. You can search in your phone book, or else you can even type it, or you can choose from the saved number. Here I am opting for Jim Ajay, a friend of mine. Now they are asking for the amount. I have typed ₹700. Click on the Pay button and the money is transferred. As the result shows, paid successfully.
Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you have really liked the video, then don't forget to click on this comments please, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and as my channel name suggests, stay with me forever. God bless you.